What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back. I hate Nikon. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. We got all the homies at the gas station and we're waiting for a bunch of more homies to pull up. We're going to this car meet tonight, California Cars. The homie Andrew. It's gonna be a crazy meet. It got like 3,000 likes, thousands of comments, a bunch of reshares, so it's gonna be crazy. But as you can see, we're here at the gas station, met up with a bunch of the homies. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars that are here. Let's get it cracking, let's go. We got the homie Andre's beautiful E92 M3 on BBS. Is super loud. If you guys think my E92 is loud, this guy's E92 is freaking loud. It is no joke. Of course, we got my GTS, very nice and clean. I had it washed today. Ooh, okay. Rich! What's up, player?
What's on, bro?
How are you?
Chilling. How are you?
Good? You were excited?
Yeah.
Damn, I haven't vlogged in like a week, guys. It's been 5 days since I posted a video.
I know.
5 days.
Let me pass you and then you can vlog again.
How are you? But yeah, crazy wide body M4. He wrapped it satin black, as you guys saw. Actually, I think in like the previous vlog. Yeah, 87, bro. It's better for the car. And we got the other homies. Jeez, this is clean. It's clean. The R, it's just sick. We got the homie Nikon M8 Grand Coupe on CCB's bucket seats, super clean, frozen white edition, very nice M8. But damn, the M4 looks so clean. There's nothing like having a fresh wash. Just makes the car look so good. I don't know. Bro, if you think my E92 is loud, this fool's E92 is loud. It is stupid loud. Look at the plate. Brazzers. Go fund me. Isn't that funny? I don't know. Nick, Ayers, and I think like a couple others are waiting for it. Sheesh. The homie Misha pulled up on us. Yas Marina Blue M3 comp. Rich. What's up, G? Rich. What's up, bro? How are you?
Bro, good to see you.
Good to see you too. The big homie Anthro. Sheesh. Fast boys. I'm too slow, G. Little Ben.
I was actually going home, but you know, you guys are still here. So. How you guys doing, bro?
We're going to car meet. Follow us. The homie Beamer fan pulled up on us. Sheesh. Mr. Rich? Damn, matching? What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, man. How you been?
Good. It's been a minute. We haven't linked up, me and the homie Beamer fam. G82. He don't be driving the F82 no more. He's in the G82. You drove it the other day? Yeah, it's just super clean though. G82, M4. He's done a lot to it actually since the last time we probably filmed it. He got exhaust, carbon, steering wheel, a whole bunch of stuff done to the G82. If you guys aren't subscribed to his channel, highly recommend go and check out his channel. You'll see the craziest build he's gonna be doing on this G82. So the homie Nick pulled up. The homie David, he just copped the F80 M3 6-speed manual Silverstone. And we got a Supra with us. Damn, we got a gang of cars with us today. Holy crap, bro. We got a whole squad out here. But yeah, guys, David just picked up the F80 M3 6-speed manual Silverstone. Go congratulate him. Tell him congrats.
What's up, Anthony?
Congrats, bro. Just copped the F80 M3.
Jeez, you?
Yeah, Rich.
Yeah, okay.
Rich.
And he said he had to double down real quick. You feel me?
6-speed manual too. Compact. Shit's nice, bro. Very nice.
Get rid of this shit, bro. First mom for sure, bro. Take off this fucking ugly shit, bro.
What?
That shit's so ugly, bro. Yeah.
You can't take it off?
No, I mean.
You have to leave it on there?
Sticker. I mean, even if you take it out, I'm pretty sure like the little thing.
Yeah, the little residue will stay on there. Damn, Nick's GTR looks super clean. Sheesh. Hopefully the car does not mess up on him today. Hopefully he can make it to the meet and back home safely. the cop. Wait, so you got pulled over for what?
Bro, he's like, you were flying in the carpool lane. And I was like, was I? So I was like, I don't know. And then he's like, where are your plates? And I was like, I just did a photo shoot with plates in the back. He's like, put it on right now and I'll let you go. I was like, I got you. And I put it on. I put the actual plate, not even the temp tag.
No way.
Yeah.
You got lucky. So
bro,
you
I literally had a heart attack.
You got lucky.
Like, I'm going to jail. I floated to like 135 in the carpool to try to catch up to you guys. And I look back and I see Charger fucking behind me.
Bro. You got lucky, bro. Because honestly, like, yeah, if he was gonna take you to jail, bro, I don't think I would have gone back for you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I would have convinced him to.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
That ass wouldn't even come back.
Of course I would.
I would tell him to. Don't worry, Nico. And I
wouldn't even call you, bitch.
I would go back for you.
The whole ass argument.
You probably wouldn't even answer the jail calls.
Who's calling me from
9 times?
Just one phone call.
I would have, bro. I'm kidding, of course.
Fuck, bro. My heart's still pounding, bro. I was like, I'm done. Fuck, bro. I was about to beg him to let her take the car and just not take the car. Like, dead ass.
Yeah, that's crazy. Nah, you got lucky. Where are you by? Where are you by?
I want to meet the child behind into the fucking jail. I'm passing Glendale Avenue on the exit.
Oh, okay, so you're not too far from us. We're going slow.
I'm done with you niggas.
I've been done with car meets.
I literally said
I'm only going because of you. You told me let's go to this meet. We gotta go. You're coming.
A fucking bitch.
Me?
Get on the freeway and you fucking floor it when no one's even in the freeway, like a bitch.
Everybody was going.
Fuck everybody. Who's everybody? You and dumbass fucking Nisha? Fucking retard.
Actually, literally.
Fuck, bro, Kevin, you don't know what would have happened, bro, if you took me to jail. I would have been done with.
Finally made it to the car meets, and guys, it's actually ridiculous. It's overwhelming. There's cars everywhere, like literally everywhere. This thing is completely flooded, but don't worry, we're gonna go through all the cool cars that are here, vlog it for you guys, so stay tuned. Bro, what the freak is going on, bro? What is going on? I don't even know where to begin, guys. That's how freaking hectic this meet is. I don't even know where to begin. Where do you start?
I don't know, dude.
It's too overwhelming.
Yeah, it's a little overwhelming.
Guys, I don't even think I can film all of it. I'm serious, guys. I'm sorry, but this is just way too much. Huracan versus the Supra. Got the wide body Supra. Damn, that shit nice, bro. I like the Supras a lot. Damn. The Mercy. Bridge on BBS's too? That's crazy. GT3 RS, Lizard Green.
Yes, Lizard Green.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video.
Lizard Green?
Lizard Green. GTR. Oh shit, is that? Damn, the whole thing is carbon fiber? Wow.
Full carbon.
Full carbon. All over you, G. That's crazy. Damn, look at the Huracan. Right idea.
Oh, gang, gang, gang. Wrong motherfucker. What's the deal, my guy?
Bro, look at the Huracan. This shit is sick. Yellow with the red headlights. Oh my gosh, bro. This has got to be the perfect Huracan. Wide body, the hood, everything about this car is just ridiculous. It's insane. Let's check out the back real quick. Wow, that shit is fire, bro. Look at my homie right here. Oh, damn, we got the Huracan, like a red color. That's pretty clean. Huh?
Nice car right there, bro.
Is it? I don't know. I like the Lambo SUV.
Like the.
I think I'm more of a Lambo SUV right now. Yeah. As of now, like before. Urus. For me, I like SUV for now. I don't know. The SUV is my thing right now.
You're gonna put the big 1016 kit?
I would love to do that. Rapid Orange? Lime Rock spec? But yeah, this is sick though. Huracan. Oh, and it's no bumper too. Check out the rear end. Holy shit. Twin turb skis. Got an F10 M5 Astro Blue up there on the lift. I don't know what's wrong with it, but also we have the brand new M2. Ooh, look at the turbo. Brand new M2 Brooklyn Gray. We got a G82. Very nice. All the gloss and carbon on there. But yeah, super clean G82s. You see, got the carbon wing up there. It's a very nice G82. We got the homie Corey's G82. He did like that stealth PPF on there. Got the rays on there, carbon. He recently added that, the V-Locks on his car. It's insane. Bro, his M4 looks insane. Like, I think if I did get an M4, it'd be exactly like this. It literally looks like paint too. It's stealth PPF, stock color, but stealth PPF. What's up, Nico? What's up? What do you think about the M4?
Bro, I love it.
Sick, huh?
The
taillights are crazy.
The smoke tails hard. The wing hard. The tire.
It's insane, huh?
Yeah.
We got a G80 M3, front carbon canards, front lip, on some wheels. It's got the M Performance wing. It's a nice color. We got an M4 on the E88s. That's hella clean. Got another Supra, E92 M3. That's clean. 340 carbon hood. That's pretty clean. Got an Austin yellow M4 with the carbon fenders. Oh, I think this is the homie actually.
Okay,
M4. There's a lot of BMWs out. I feel like there's a good mixture of cars though.
The yellow one is nice.
Yeah, with the carbon fender. What's up, bro? Rich. Alright guys, we're back at the front now. Like I said, it's just too many cars to film. So I'm gonna just try to film the cool cars. You saw the E46 being from him? It's just clean, huh? Oh. That's just clean, bro. 600 L Tizzle.
Copper here.
It's just sick. Rich.
Yeah, I got the around.
Rich.
Wow, man. Bedtime. You guys don't know he also has them there.
Rev it.
Can't see a little kid on. It must be nice on McLaren or Huracan.
Fuck, bro.
I really wouldn't know which one to drive.
Yeah, that's just sick. Damn, look at the Huracan sticker bond. That's pretty clean. Oh, look at the purple STO. Oh my gosh, bro. Fire. Purple STO. We need STO. No way, guys. It's permitted though. They can't do anything.
It's like the whole full of cars. There's like over 1,000 people and 1,000 cars here. They're for sure mad.
The homie Red Robin's Huracan. Shit's fire. Super clean. We got another Huracan in green. A lot of Lambos out today. A lot of rich.
Coding.
Look at the shirt. Hey. Rich. Bro, there's more after Bro, they're literally coming in every direction. There.
400 for him. 400? I'm down.
Alright, bro. What you got for me?
Got you a mini man.
Damn, bro. Appreciate that.
Got you a big fitty.
Y'all gotta go check out his brand. Go cop some merch. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Enriquez G80. Bro, guys, the cops are literally trying to screw everybody over. Oh shit, look at the interior of this thing.
Or he came on and
Hold on, I gotta check that out. What the? Damn, that's crazy. Rich. Bro, what are the cops trying to do? I don't understand. Look at the 335, guys. It's got a fat tire back there. For sure pushing crazy power. But yeah, guys, it's insane. There's just way too many cars. Rich. Oh my god, bro. Look at how that thing looks, bro. Damn, we got the SLS Mercedes. That's rare. Got the McLaren 570S. I think they're just trying to kick everybody off the street. Shawarma truck had to come inside too.
Oh, this is the shit that Chris would drive to Anaheim for. I swear.
Yeah. There it is! Oh! Hey, you can't park here! Sammy! Rich! Bro, this shit is annoying. What do you want from us, bro? Keep going! What?
You gotta film that shit.
Alright guys, I want to show you guys this too. Shout out to the homie. This is his clothing brand. He was at the car meet and he gave me a, I believe it's a hoodie. Check it out. Wow, the quality is so sick. I love this material. Thick material, no laces. This is a fire hoodie, yo. And it says Search of Purpose MV Rod. That's sick. Yo, the quality on this, fire. I approve. Big shout out to the homie. You guys gotta go and cop some merch. I'm gonna throw his Instagram down below. Go cop some of his merch. It's fire. It's fire, huh? What do you think?
Yeah, it's hard.
It's comfortable too. And it's like warm. I like how it's like thick. Yeah, that's just fire. Shout out to you, bro. I appreciate it. Like I said, guys, Instagram will be right here on the screen. Go and cop some of his merch. And yeah, that's just fire. Low-key, I would do my hoodies like this. I like the thickness. It's comfortable.
Search of Purpose.
Roman Search of Purpose. MV Rod. It's just sick. I like it. You can feel like the texture of it too. It's fire. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Met up with the homie Neeks. I'll see you guys on the video. Take care. Peace.